If you've seen this page, you've been updated to SN Utils 10, the biggest update so far that marks the 10-year anniversary and introduces community and pro tiers. Explore this page, click through on the various items, and if you ever want to go back, you can go to the icon, the About tab, and click What's New. We'll now discover 10 new capabilities that are part of SN Utils community and some only of Pro. It's not a complete overview, but it does give a good overview of what's in store. So let's move to feature 1. Here we are in a classic ServiceNow instance. The new thing here is when I open /commands, you see it opens in a different place and it has a new look and feel, similar to the What's New page. You can switch from dark to light, you can drag it around wherever you want and increase size. So overall you will get this new experience, this cleaner and much more nicer experience. On to feature 2. When you open the pop-up, you see that settings are now gone. They have moved to the Manage page, accessible via the icon. And here you can manage everything from all the settings, a lot more control of what you can disable and enable. There is a lot more like instance overview where you can manage some settings for the Fav icon and instance tag as well from here. On to number 3. Here you see that the right panel of the background script is also now in sync with the SN Utils styling. And you can now see the history of earlier executed scripts. So when I select one, I can execute it. And here you can see that the formatting is now also in the Monaco editor. We move the prefix. If it has JSON, we can format the JSON. And if it's a sysid, we can click that sysid and it will do a lookup. So that's feature 3. Feature 4 gets back to /commands. When we open it, we can do the things we used to do. Like this, filter by created by me in current scope. What's new and also available for community is when we do U100 day. 7 is the first pro-only capability. When we do a long click, we get this menu, and when I release, it will show me the previous visited instances. Here we can navigate to the exact same URL, the home page, or when it's a form, then we can do an XML compare of the underlying code. This is configurable. You can set it to your own commands and have a lot more control of it. For feature 8, I'm on an incident form and I have enabled technical names. That is all part of the community tier as well as this icon. But what a pro feature is Sidekick form analyze. And it will show you a lot of insight in your current form. You can have a look at it. Sidekick has a suite of capabilities, for example log viewer. It will automatically update and sysids can be looked up. So have a look at it and see what's in it for you. For feature 9, I'm still on the same incident form. And what that is when I do a double tap, this is also a pro capability, it will give me shortcuts or snippets. And when I start typing for example in it, then you see a preview of what it has. So, and here it has pre-filled it with the caller first name as well as the agent first name. So this can all be configured in the Manage page. Under Snippets, you can create your own, but there's also a marketplace for it. Closing off with feature 10. We've seen all along that numbers passing by, and that is also a SN Utils capability. So when I do flip 11, enter, then I see that this is actually a slash command, and I can call it again by hitting Command L. So going to the manage page, you can see that you can now set repeat last command with a customizable shortcut. And in the commands tab, you can either create your own or have an AI assistant to help you create your slash commands. And there is also a marketplace with a lot of pre-packed per ServiceNow solution. I am looking for volunteers. So that wraps this up. I hope you get a good understanding of what's in store. There is more to come, and I hope you will all enjoy SN Utils version 10.